Zed Editor is making waves in the coding community, but does it really live up to the hype? With its sleek design and modern features, is it the ultimate choice for developers, or just another tool lost in the crowd? Let's find out. Zed Editor is a modern code editor that aims to provide a seamless coding experience for developers. Right off the bat, the interface feels clean and intuitive, making it easy to dive into coding without a steep learning curve. It supports multiple programming languages, which is a huge plus for developers working across different projects. One standout feature is the real-time collaboration capability, allowing teams to work together effortlessly, which could be a game changer for remote teams. However, while the editor boasts powerful performance and speed, I noticed that there are still some aspects that could use more clarity, like its plugin ecosystem and customization options. The target audience seems to be both beginners and experienced developers, but I wonder if advanced users might find it lacking in depth compared to more established editors. Overall, Zed Editor feels promising, but there's still a bit of uncertainty about how it stacks up against its competitors. When it comes to the pros, Zed Editor definitely shines with its sleek interface and real-time collaboration features. It's user-friendly for newcomers, while still being robust enough for seasoned developers. However, there are some cons worth noting. For instance, I found the lack of extensive documentation a bit frustrating, especially if you're looking to explore all its functionalities. Additionally, while it performs well, there are concerns about its long-term viability in a market with heavyweights like Visual Studio Code and Atom. Pricing details are also vague, which could deter potential users looking for transparency. If you're a beginner or someone who values a clean collaborative coding space, Zed Editor might be a solid choice. But if you're an advanced user needing deep customization and extensive features, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Zed Editor shows a lot of potential, particularly for new developers and teams seeking a straightforward collaborative environment. However, its current limitations and lack of detailed information may leave experienced users wanting more. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but seasoned coders might want to look elsewhere for now.